Ano?
She will be escorted
Oh, ayan na.
by Mr. Dito.
Smile.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for our beautiful debutante. Alright, together with Mr. Dito, her escort. Not just for tonight, for tonight. Right? Yay! Again, everybody make some noise for the pretty girl, There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Together with her escort. Again, make some noise for Annalyn, the beautiful girl tonight. Alright. Come on, I want to hear you scream, guys.
Gusto yata magpabuhat.
Parang gusto daw magpabuhat. Baka naman daw, Sir Dito, parang gusto magpabuhat ni Annalyn. Once again,